Welcome to Random Hacking Video Channel. Today, we will use a tool that will help to check if your data is exposed on the internet. There's a tool named ID Lookup on GitHub, which can search the public internet to find identity data belonging to you. Disclaimer: this tool only searches publicly available information and does not access private databases. It should not be used for email address harvesting. To use the tool, follow the installation steps displayed according to your Linux flavor. For this tutorial, we've already installed it on the Ubuntu Linux subsystem on Windows 10. Run the tool using the displayed Python interpreter command. This will display various search options, including search by first and last name, search by email address, search by domain name, search by phone number. Let's explore the domain search option first by selecting option 3. This option provides results of all exposed email addresses associated with the domain. Useful for organizations wanting to check their staff's identity exposures. For this tutorial, we will be selecting the example.com domain to check for any associated emails. Next, the tool prompts for the desired search depth on a scale of 10 to 50. Higher levels yield more results. Let's select the lowest level, which is 10, and see what results appear. The tool has started searching the internet for exposed emails. Let's wait patiently. Voila! The tool has managed to find multiple email addresses. Let's verify this using one of the links where the tool may have found this email address. We finally found one of the email addresses on one of the mentioned links by the tool. Let's further explore other options offered by this tool, and this time, let's test the individual email search option by selecting number 2. Let's search for the example@gmail.com email address to check which sites it may be listed on. Let's select the lowest level, which is 10, and see what results appear. The tool has now started to look for the email address on the internet. Let's wait for it to finish. Once again, voila! We've discovered the sites where example@gmail.com is listed. Let's confirm by opening one of the links and searching for the email ID. That concludes our verification. We've confirmed that the site does indeed contain this email ID. Here are the top 5 things you can do if you find your personal data on a website that shouldn't be there. Identify the data and website. First, pinpoint exactly what data is exposed and on which website. This helps you tailor your approach and identify the appropriate removal process. Most websites have a privacy policy outlining how they collect, use, and store user data. It might also detail an opt-out process for data removal. Look for keywords like data deletion or right to be forgotten. Report the data to a search engine. If the information you found appears in search results, you can report it to the search engine for removal. Each search engine has its own process for this, so you'll need to search their help center for steps. Consider legal action. Depending on the sensitivity of the data and the laws in your region, you may want to consult with a lawyer about legal options. This could be necessary if the website owner is unresponsive or the data is highly sensitive. Be cautious about using free services. There are companies that offer to remove your personal information from the internet for a fee. Be cautious about using these services, as some may not be reputable or effective.